you've moved.
What?
What you've moved. Are you now higher or lower than you were, or something different?
What the fuck does this mean?
Just sit still. Just find a place and stay there. Right, hold that up so we get a white reference. So it's near you.
Oh, I'm holding it properly.
Daft Apeth, take 1, scene 1.
Ah! You had my finger off, I can't believe it.
On. Just like open the lid and stuff, and
Hold up. Bit of dirt there.
or just move it around wherever and have to start again. Let go.
I didn't do anything wrong, rude man.
Oh, hang on.
Oh really? Oh, I cannot believe the way he got even prepared. And he presses record.
Oh, you just eaten, haven't you?
Well, you always say that. Yeah, like a right talk when you're being an idiot. Okay, I'm in an intro. So we're going to unbox it. You're recording our gamer?
Yeah, I've been recording for ages. I'm just waiting for you.
Hello! See, that's not very professional, is it? You're doing that. Can't help it, it's your fault. Hello everyone. Oh, I can't even fly with no nose. It's Bartie, Joyce here, back again with another video. If it's your first time here, oh, piss off!
Just grab my elbow.
Oh right, are we taking a piss? Beep, beep, beep!
Okay, give that a go.
Flip up the lid. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, lady casa. And they go, wee. And they do. Fat Amazon Echo, look. Take it out. Wee.
Not right into the lens though, because obviously it's all blurred when you do that.
Okay, well, I was like, rewind. I was like, I'll do it all again.
No, you haven't got to do it all again. What I'm saying is,
No, I do,
there's
sorry.
no point like opening it and going wee up to the lens, because it's just going to be a load of blurred stuff we have to cut out. No, I just said don't hold it up into the lens.
Oh,
all...
it's down here.
Yeah, but we're focused on here, aren't we? You're holding it up into the lens. Don't hold it up into the lens. Keep it on the table. Yeah, you can move out of the way and you can stick it there.
Oh, blimey, governor.
Yeah.
You should have told me. I'm going to have to giggle like crazy now. I was just about to do a lovely introduction and you had to bang your elbow.
Are you quite finished?
Not really.
It's 2 minutes of flapping.
It was your fault.
It's not. I'm just waiting for you.
I'm trying to do an introduction and you're here banging your elbows, touching your knees. Oh, connecting to the Wi-Fi. That instant shot. No, that's my usual thing. Pardon me. Your video will woke you. Oh my goodness. Alexa, I'm going to get a million subscribers this year.
No, I mean like
Sorry, I don't know that.
Oh, I was only joking. No, sorry. Today I am setting my Amazon Echo Dot. Sorry, you had a bit of a sticky burp there. Today I am setting up my Amazon Echo Dot. Is it third series, isn't it? Third gen, whatever it's called. Anything else? Just goodbye and I don't know what else to say.
Just say like, let's get into it. Let's go.
All right, and let's get into it. Boomba. And let's get into it.
Cool, right, I'm just going to stop it for a sec. And flippy-doo.
I've got a minute. I've got to compose myself. Hold on, mate. Oh, that's very nice. You're all on purple, ass, don't you? Making me do.
Quick, dude, it's going to cut out again.